In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video projects by adding text using Filmora. Filmora is a powerful and user-friendly video editing software that offers a plethora of features to bring your creative vision to life. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, incorporating text into your video projects can add context, emphasize important points, or provide additional information to your audience. Let's dive into the process. Firstly, you'll want to open Filmora on your computer. If you're new to Filmora, you might take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It offers a sleek and intuitive layout that makes video editing accessible. Once you've got Filmora open, locate your project or start a new one if you haven't already. Now that we have Filmora open and ready to go, we'll move on to adding text. Start by navigating to the text section. This is typically found on the left-hand side of the interface as part of the media options. Clicking on this will open up a range of text options available within the software. You'll see numerous templates and styles, each bringing a unique flair to your project. You're not limited to basic text. There are also dynamic and animated options to really make your message pop. Once you've explored the various options, select a font that suits the theme and tone of your project. For something playful and fun, you might choose a bubbly, colorful font. If professionalism is key, a sleek, minimalistic font might be more appropriate. After picking the style you like, you can double-click the text to customize it further. This customization can include changing the size, color, and even adding effects like shadows or outlines to make your text stand out. Now it's time to insert your text into the video. Simply drag your chosen text style onto the timeline where you'd like it to appear. You can adjust the length of time the text is visible by dragging the edges of the text box in the timeline. This is particularly useful if you want to sync the appearance of the text with specific moments in your video. After you've positioned and styled your text just the way you want it, take a moment to preview the video. Make sure everything looks and flows as desired. Filmora allows you to easily make adjustments, so if something isn't quite right, you can tweak to your heart's content. Once you're satisfied, your video is now ready with personalized text added, enhancing the viewing experience for your audience. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added text to your video using Filmora. This simple addition can make a world of difference, allowing you to engage your viewers more effectively by providing clarity and emphasis. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to explore further features within Filmora to continue enhancing your video editing skills.